This on YouTube, just know that everything is working. Ladies and gents, welcome to another Leonardo AI tutorial. I did this on my iPhone, but what I noticed on the iPhone app was that it's not fully updated with the new Leonardo models that they have, which is, let's go to them. So the new models that they have is the Leonardo Fusion XL, which is still in a new Alchemy for version 2. The Leonardo Diffusion XL with the Alchemy version 2 pipeline, and then the AlbedoBase XL with a new Alchemy version 0.2. So these are the new models on here, and they are dope. I tried it out on my laptop, and I will have a computerized version of what we're about to be doing. I'm using the Samsung S Galaxy 23 Ultra Note, so this is how we're about to get down. So what I'm actually about to do is something that I had did before. Let me actually put this in, whatchamacallit. If I bring up the keyboard, let's say I don't want to bring up the keyboard, so here we go. Put this in parentheses for a reason. So what I'm about to do, ladies and gents, I'm about to have fun with all of them. It's gonna be a little short video showing you the different models and everything. Let's go with the Diffusion XL. There was a video I did on here on my YouTube page where it's Romans chapter 8, verse 6. So I'm actually going to chapter 5, verse 6 and see what images would it generate with the new models that they have on there. So this is a little part of the settings. Oops, let me X out that part. Move this around. Actually, there we go. Go to right here. So this is what I'm doing. I'm doing for the best resolution right now to be at 3.2 for the dimensions. Not having these public output resolutions because I'm using the Alchemy version 2, which is this and everything. And this is what they're giving you and whatnot. Try to move the little timer around. Out the way. Oh, that's first. Let's go. I'm not using no fixed C, not recommended size, schedulers, Leonardo. I'm only doing, let me do 3 images for this. We're not gonna do 4, do 3. Bring this down a little bit, exit out. This is my negative, all up in here, and this is my prompt that I'm using. So for Leonardo Fusion, it does say that it is good for larger or longer prompts. So we're about to test it out right now. The elements that you are able to use with this one though, and everything. And it gives you a pipeline. I don't think they put these out yet for the hyper realistic ones at the bottom of it. Now think about it. Which elements is these? I gotta play around with this a little bit more and stuff. Cause yeah, the superhero SD. Okay, see, I'm about to play around with this a little bit more because this is the only one you see for the XCL material. Tune, Kids, Folk Art. Then again, they are working on other stuff as well too, so we're not gonna use the elements. But what we're about to do is be creative. Actually, let's make this be cinematic for our prompt. Let's hit generate. Like I said, we generate 3 images. Like I said, I'm using Chrome on the S23 Ultra Note to actually do this demonstration. Don't mind the neighbor's dog barking in the background. As you guys can tell, we're using Leonardo Fusion XL. Not bad. Not bad at all. Very, very different, very unique. Yeah, I can't do the 2-finger scrolling thing. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Just so realistic that it does look on here. Whoops. So let's have some more fun. Actually, before I play around the crescent and stuff like that, that's for diffusion. So let's go ahead and switch it up. Select the custom model. That's for this one. And as you can see, first style model that excels realism photography, better results with longer prompts. The next phase, then the outputs will be shorter prompts. So let's go with the Diffusion XL. Same prompt, cinematic, it generate 3 images. Let's see what we get. Cause sure, I just might do a part 2 of this video with those type of images. That's pretty dope. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I'm gonna try to press on the picture, but it's not. What the heck? It's not really gonna go on. There we go. Dang, the details, see. I'm trying to click, I'm trying to move it up, but it's not doing that, so I'm gonna do it on the computer. Details, and this is ridiculous. Yo. You got the people on the side right here as well, too. I might need to do a part 2 of Romans chapter 8 verses 6. Cause this is banging, okay. Keep it on cinematic. Let's go to another custom model. Let's go to this one. AlbedoBase. Keep it on cinematic. Because you do have different little pipeline things for as well too. When I get on the computer, I will go through all of them. And we'll use a different prompt. Let's hit generate and see what we get. This is just a quick demonstration, show you guys what is it you can do off of here. Like shoot, forget the photo roll thing. I might start playing around with this. Seeing that Runway ML has their 48-hour film festival contest happening October 21st, 22nd this weekend. I'm a part of it. Shoot, I might have to change up. Yeah, I'm going to change up my workflow. Yo, you know what this reminds me of? It's a story in the Bible, Old Testament. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's either in the book of Judges, or yeah, it should be in the book of Judges. This particular ruler that was ruling there during this time frame, and I forgot what he did, but everybody tried to kill him. So he ran to this woman's house. He was the enemy of Israel. So he ran to this woman's house and fell asleep and tried to hide. He was knocked out. She stuck a stake through his head to which he died. This is what this image reminds me of, and I'm even going to keep it because I could easily use it in the storyline. Nah, this is dope. This is dope. Okay, the face needs to be fixed. So, fun part, what we're about to do right now, hopefully it works. Let's use a refiner. I'm gonna let you guys read it. Refiner does adjust and change things and stuff like that. This is what it says for the low. It says for a high. So I'm gonna smooth it out because I know they've been working on it, and let's see what happens. Because I know for the iPhone it wasn't working earlier. And I think for the computer it wasn't working earlier either. It said error message. And I think part of the reason the error message is because they had the new pipelines, the new models. So, oh, actually, there we go. Okay. We are now about to go to the image because it turned to something else that it's not safe for children. All right. So with that, I'm glad glad we clicked out of that quickly. Like I said, we're using YouTube to do this video, so you guys know how they get down when it comes with certain things. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to go with my original prompt to which I did the video for. You guys can find out here. Just look for Romans chapter 6, Romans 8, verse 6, and one of the phases. But what we're about to do right now is hit on this. I'm put into these dimensions, exit out, and I'm supposed to put this on cinematic. Let's go with creative. Let's go with illustrative, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's go with creative. So we're gonna hit it with this, and I'm gonna switch with the Fission one. No, I'm gonna do that one last. Diffusion, same thing, creative and Fission. Hit it, boom. So we got 9 images generating. Let's see what we get. Okay, not bad, not bad. Does get the CG type look towards it. Very interesting. I'm afraid to use refinery on here, so I'm not going to do that. We're going to keep it the way that it is. I'll refine the pictures when I'm done doing this video. We're not about to zoom in on that. But that's not bad looking though. This is actually pretty dope. This is actually pretty dope. Let me see what the creative upscale looks like on this one. Same thing for this one as well too. Creative upscale it. I'll do the same thing with her. Actually, y'all can't even see what I'm seeing on the picture, so it is what it is. It's interesting outtake. Oh, I see why. Okay. Because I'm like, why is it showing Romans and things? And I just realized because of what we have in parentheses. So is that the creative part? Or is this whatchamacallit? Let me see. This must be creative. Because the image is very refined. Okay, so let me go into this. Let's take out the parentheses because it's showing literal Romans and I don't want that to happen. Let's go with illustration for all 3 of them and see what else that we get. She almost started doing tutorials off the Samsung. That's supposed to hurt his iPhone. For my iOS users, I will. Ooh, it totally did something way different. Leonardo Fusion done and gave it something completely different. But this is pretty dope though. This is actually, I know what to use this for. It's really get the book of Romans a whole different meaning. Some of you guys like, you don't keep the prompt. It's a scripture first. So most definitely, y'all can try it out as well too. That's pretty dope. It literally gave a different, it gave a different outlook. We use illustration compared towards cinematic. So yeah, play around with the pipelines, ladies, and just ooh. We could easily done the coloring book thing for this one. Okay. AlbedoBase XL. Nice. So, yeah, ladies and gents, have fun with the new pipelines. They're dope. You got Leonardo Fusion XL with the Alchemy version 2. Leonardo Diffusion XL with the Alchemy version number 2. And AlbedoBase XL Alchemy version 2. So, have fun with these. Enjoy yourselves. And I will have the iPhone video coming soon. And I have the laptop version as well coming soon. Laptop version, I will show more on how to do deeper prompts and play around with all of these, and we'll see what happens. All right, y'all. Catch y'all on the flip side. Peace out. If I can stop the video. Okay. Need the video to stop. Wait a minute. There we go. Peace out.